If you're looking to buy or rent in the Miami area, then it really all just boils down to where do you get the best value. Sure, places like Miami Beach, Brickell, and Coconut Grove take a lot of the shine, but depending on your price range, other areas in Miami can sometimes give you more value for your dollar. In my opinion, Doral is one of the most undervalued areas in Miami, and when compared to other A-class neighborhoods like Coconut Grove and Coral Gables, it's surprising sometimes to see how much more value you can get for around the same price. Take, for example, today's property tour. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story, single-family home with over 2,300 square feet of interior space, equipped with a 1-car garage, a fenced back patio, stainless steel appliances, is also close to great schools, and just a short drive to hotspots like City Place Doral. And while other similar style properties like this one in Coconut Grove and Coral Gables would easily be over $700,000 to purchase or over $4,000 a month to just rent, this property in Doral is listed for $465,000 to purchase and just $2,900 a month to rent. The biggest reason for this stark price difference is the fact that Doral is a bit further west than the other areas I just mentioned. So don't get me wrong, guys, you will be sacrificing when it comes to distance and the drive. It's about a 30 to 45-minute drive to all the other areas like Miami Beach and downtown and Brickell, just to be exact, so keep that in mind. But if you're not that interested in being that close to those areas and you're just more interested in finding good value in a good area, then definitely do not sleep on Doral. All right, so before we get started with today's tour, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell to stay up to date with my weekly property tour videos, and help this channel out and help your boy out by liking this video, as that small, true act of kindness really goes a long way in this channel. All right, let's get started. Doral was formed in the late 1950s by Alfred and Doris Caskell, who purchased 2,400 acres of swampland with the intention of building a golf course and hotel. The Doral name comes from the abbreviation of Doris and Alfred, which when combined gives you Doral. During that time, Doral was really just known for its country club. It was a great place to get away for a quick game of golf and to get some R&R, but other than that, it was not really known for much else. And if golf wasn't your thing, then you really had no reason to visit. It wasn't until the 80s where Doral started to experience a growth in the residential population. Decades later, and Doral is now thriving and is actually one of Florida's most productive local economies. But even with all of its advancements and changes, Doral continues to be that golf haven that it once was built upon. Upon entering into the foyer, we will make our way towards the living and dining room area. Realistically, you have enough space here to convert that space as you see fit. I can definitely see a living and dining room combination, or even a formal dining room area here and a living room on the separate side. Whatever your design style is, one thing is for sure: the possibilities here are endless. Now, this property was built in 2002, so it doesn't have that contemporary look and feel that you might have seen from my other property tour videos. Instead of that big slabs of porcelain floor and quartz countertops, you will find in this property to have tile floor and darker granite countertops, both of which were in style back during that era. So yes, this property can definitely use an update, but the point of this video is to highlight the value at this price point. As I mentioned earlier, a similar property to this one with the same finishes in another area may run you twice as much, so when you take that into account, this property starts to shine. The back patio is great for entertaining and perfect for having family and friends over for a nice barbecue. The entire community has a more reserved and private feel, which is great for families looking to have a quieter lifestyle. The 2,300 square feet that this property boasts does not include any exterior space or the garage. Another great feature of this home is that one of the bedrooms and full bathrooms is located on the first floor and is adjacent to the main entrance. I found this very convenient to those members in the family that can do without stairs, and if anything, it could definitely be converted to a great space as a home office. Bathrooms to me have always been one of those areas in homes that can really show its years. Walking into this one, you have your standard one sink vanity with a standing shower. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this bathroom, but you can obviously tell the difference from a more modern home, which opts for a more modern European glass enclosed shower and floating vanity look. But the great news is that you can always remodel these bathrooms and the home in general with all the money you will be saving. Making our way to the second floor, which hosts the remaining 2 bedrooms, the biggest thing you will notice is the change of flooring from the tile to this darker laminate. You also get this great open style den, if you will, that overlooks the first floor. The ceiling heights in this home are great, and this den serves as a blank canvas to really express your creativity. The master bedroom is very spacious. You can easily fit a king-size bed here with no issues. Not a ton of natural light, to be honest, but the room didn't feel dark either. Probably what I like the most about this room is how it squares off right towards the windows. It almost lends itself to add a decorative piece of furniture like a sitting or reading area. A huge bonus any house can have, especially in South Florida, is a spacious walk-in closet, and this one definitely does not disappoint. It's even divided to show his and her sections. What's a spacious walk-in closet without a spacious master bathroom? Again, this bathroom can easily show its years, but to be honest, it does a great job of making up for it by having a shower, bathtub, dual sink vanity, and bidet while still managing to feel very spacious. The two guest bedrooms in this house are pretty much identical in terms of size and closet space. Really, the biggest difference here is the type of flooring, again changing from the tile to the laminate flooring on this second floor bedroom. This bathtub has a tub instead of a shower, but other than that, the finishes and look are all the same. The home, for the most part, is in its original state since it was completed. It's great for living how it is, but the potential of this property with the right upgrades and changes are enormous.
All of Miami is on the rise, and whether you're a buyer or a renter, competition is going to be fierce. So if you're thinking of trying your luck in today's market, then just make sure to be extra patient with the process. The market is currently facing high demand, and it can be a little frustrating because there are a lot of people vying for the same property. So if securing a property is taking a little longer than you would expect or would hope for, don't get discouraged, guys. Have hope, be persistent, have a lot of patience, because you will eventually get to where you're trying to go. And when you do find that property, that ideal property, make sure you act with urgency, because especially in today's market, you could definitely risk losing it if you think about it too long. Anyways, guys, what did you think of today's video? If you found value from it, as always, make sure you give this video a like and a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and to become part of the Miami Property Tour community. Click that notification bell so you can be notified of my next week's video. As always, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for making it this far, and I will see you all next week. God bless.